Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Flip 5, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Flip 5. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Poetic Spartan case for the Z Flip 5. I need to give a shout out to Poetic for actually sending this case out to me for a review. If you follow my channel, you know I've been using Poetic cases for a while now. They make some of the great protective cases out there for different devices. Like we normally do in my case reviews, we'll make sure everything fits well. Can your wireless charge? How good is the adhesive strips on here? Do you get camera protection? Do you get the lip action you look for? How sturdy is the kickstand? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. If you know Poetic, you know their simple package in there, bunch of P's everywhere. If y'all want to pause that, I don't know why you would want to pause that, but follow them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok. It says designed in the US, made in China. But let's see what you get in here. So it tells you adhesive strips. There you go, you got some. People are not fans of the adhesive strips. I understand. Oh, nice. So it does not have the screen protector built in, but you do get the hinge protection there. Oh, I like that. This is a nice sturdy case. I love the felt in the back too, so that way you're not going to scratch up that beautiful back, that shiny back there. You're not going to scratch it up. But this is a sturdy case. Let me go ahead and peel the adhesive strips off. Let's get it installed and see what we got on hand. All right, so I got the adhesive strips off. Let's install it. So this is going to be a sturdy case. Might add a little bit bulk to your phone, but it's going to be a sturdy one. I like the extra grip you get here on the sides. I love the extra grip there. You only have adhesive strips up here and over here too, so that will help not have a bunch of adhesive strips, but you do have some. You do get camera protection and lip action, so you can place this down, not worry about scratching up your display or the cameras at all. You're not going to scratch up your back because you can't see it. It is in there. You do have the hinge protection there, and it has this soft material too, so that way you're not scratching up your beautiful hinge. The power button is easy to get to. It doesn't cause problems. The volume rockers are nice and tactile, easy to press too, not hard. Like sometimes you get those hard buttons, but these are easy to press. Okay. When you open it, I don't see any movement. That hinge does give you something to grab onto when you're opening it up like this. Man. So it gives you that drop protection too. This case is a heavy duty case, I'm going to say. It's not going to go ahead and be super bulky, but look, you can see it adds some bulk to it, especially with that hinge slash kickstand too. Does add some bulk to it. Do you get any lip action around the main display? Not really. Man. So how small these flip phones are, this case does not add too much bulk to it. So it's still comfortable to hold. It's not bulky even when you're opening it up. It's not bulky at all. Now let's see how this kickstand works. Let's see. Sturdy? See if I can get this open. All right, so I got it open. It is definitely sturdy. It won't just pop open easily. You have to actually really force it, and it's sturdy too, so it's not just going to collapse when you open your phone. But if you want to keep your phone like that, you can definitely get, you know, bam, watch your favorite YouTuber for its tech reviews. You can definitely do that without any issues. You won't be able to do it vertically, but horizontally, bam. Look at that display too. The display on these phones are fantastic, y'all. Bam. So you get the little kickstand there that is sturdy. So overall, let's go over, but before that too, we need to check out two things. Can you easily get this case apart? And the answer is no. Does it come off a little bit easy at the top here? Maybe so. I mean, but it's still sturdy. It's still a sturdy case though. It's not popping off too easy. As you've seen, I dropped it, didn't have any problems. The more you use these cases too, with the strips on there, the more they adhere to it too. Pressing the buttons. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem. Maybe. And there you go. You can wireless charge without any issues there. No big deal. You just have to make sure you have it in the right spot. But if you want to pick up the Spartan case, look in the description. I will have it there. Support the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.